Why do more and more Chinese mobile phone manufacturers choose custom image sensors?
Great question. I think this is because, China mobile phone vendors want to position their smartphones, be it in terms of specification, quality, and also in terms of camera performance, because they want to keep their smartphones in the same breath as that of the US and the Korean customer products. And over the years, what we have seen is that apart from Huawei, who also had to customize their image sensors with Sony, most of the other brands, the camera capabilities of those China mobile phone manufacturers have been a key hindrance for them to achieve a strong position in the premium tier market. So they have dominated the volume market and even in the mid tier market. But when you look at the high end and the premium tier market, there's gap for them to achieve that feat. And to overcome this thing, these manufacturers are partnering with image sensor vendors to customize in terms of the specification and also the performance of the image sensors. But over the period of time, now when you look at the camera smartphone cameras of these mobile phone vendors, there's marginal difference between the qualities of images that you see from the other US and the Korean customer products also. So I think because they've went forward with customizing their image sensors, some of the image sensors like the 989, which was developed by Sony and Xiaomi together. There is also cost involved, and the 989 costed both the companies $15 million. That was equally shared by the two companies. So in this process, what is happening is that image sensor vendors are supplying custom image sensors to these OEMs, and these OEMs have a exclusivity to these image sensors, and they leverage this exclusivity in terms of their camera performance, and they gain a competitive advantage in the long run. I believe customizing image sensors gives them a competitive advantage in terms of getting image sensors that are high performance and also exclusive to their own brands, so that the competition does not have any opportunity to get them.
For the mobile phone manufacturers, what are the advantages of custom image sensors?
When you customize an image sensors, there is obviously a better output in terms of the image performance. When you look at all the Sony custom image sensors, they are having a larger detailing in terms of the pixel size itself is larger. Sony's iPhone image sensor that they supplied has a 1.22 micron. That is higher than some of the image sensors like the 1.0 and less than that is what is being supplied to the market. So the 1.22 micron is a bigger pixel. So when you pixel bin it, it's the pixel size is also larger. So when you customize image sensors, there's obviously specifications that vendors like Apple want, and specifications such as 1/1.3 inch sensor size, 1.22 micron is going to create an opportunity for better camera experience. Sony is also having the 2x2 OCL on-chip lens technology for improved autofocus, and they also have the better HDR technology, the DOL technology. So that is being combined into the image sensors at a very high cost, and overall the experience within the image sensor becomes better and the performance increases strongly. So if you compare image sensors from 2 to 3 years down the line to what we witness right now, there is a big difference in terms of the camera output itself. We get more details. The focus is very fast. The bokeh is better. The color dynamic is very good. The saturation level is also high. In terms of low light performance, there is more light that the sensor can take because of the optical format. So overall, the experience with respect to camera is very good when you customize an image sensor.